What's up, YouTube? Come here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what are critical parts for an e-commerce business. Before we start the video, like, comment, subscribe to the video, please. Thank you. Alright, so first, you want to have a great product. An e-commerce store, you don't want to have like a shitty product, something that's going to break. It's fake plastic, things are made in China, so you got to make sure you test them. So one way to do it is you have that product ordered and then you test it, take pictures with it, because that way you get to repurpose and create your own ads too, or send it to influencers. And you say you send it to them for free. That's it. You just get them to take pictures and send you a video. That way you have more content like to repurpose, that the ad is working, somebody else is using it. That's good. And I made a video before on you have to have a great product and great marketing at the same time. Alright, check that video out. It's a real help. Alright, you also want to have credit, building business credit. It will help you in your ecom biz. You want to have a fulfillment agent, great fulfillment. You want to do your books. You want to have great accounting. You want to have your numbers on point, be cash flow positive. Okay, those are important things, critical parts, right? When you comment this, you want to have great website, low speed, fast. So you want to optimize and make sure it's loading up fast. So it has to do with the domain, bulk, the SSL certificates, Cloudflare, all of that. What are you using to host it? You want to make sure there's not a lot of code inside the stuff. It's more simple. It just loads fast. That's important. What else is a critical part of your e-commerce business? Have great back-end funnels. That's important. So when you are marketing, you're getting customers and all that, in the back end, you use the buyers' data to create lookalike audiences. You retarget to some people who added to cart. You use the buyer's emails, have an email sequence to upsell them. That's increasing the back end. You want to have great testing as well. This is the most important at first. You want to cut your losers short, quick, and keep your winners running. You might encounter something called ad fatigue, which means you're going to have to recreate it. And just keep that going. Cut your losers, keep your winners, and duplicate more and create more like your winners. That's also important. Have great customer service. So you want to go on Upwork and hire a customer service person to handle the help desk, customer service. People ask stuff about their products. So you want to have somebody there to answer them, because mistake is a critical part of e-commerce business. Some of them would have an e-com store where they sell a lot, but no one's handling customer service. When is my product coming? And you can have a page that says it, and also have the customer service say it to them too. Inquire about that. That's important. So having that decreases the amount of refunds and increases more sales. Also have systems. You want to have systems. You want to hire a media buyer off Upwork.com or Facebook groups. Mainly Facebook groups, for real. I'm gonna create a long paragraph group that's about PPC, Facebook advertising, marketing, paid ads, paid for, like, you get what I mean. You join those groups on Facebook, write a paragraph about your hiring, get those inquiries, get on a call, interview them. They a great fit. Then you add them to a Slack channel to work with you, and you keep calls with them, and they get to run the media buying part of the e-commerce businesses, or in general, or like that's how you create a system, as well as the customer service. You want to have somebody handle all the customer service emails that you're gonna get. Yeah, I probably that's most of the video. I answered your question. I solved the problem. Now I can get value. I'll create more videos. To maybe I offer coaching. I want to let you guys know. You click the link below. Check it out. It's 100. I'm offering coaching. It's a limited time offer though. Years from now, I probably won't offer that anymore. So you can take advantage of that because I can solve in a call one-on-one, see your situations, where your problems are, and where I can best guide you to where you want to get with my advice. That's coaching. I can offer that. Credit, ecom, crypto, so many, like, not everything in the world, but the main fire things that you can make a business out of and all that. Alright, this video was mainly already solve your problem. This is me giving value. I'm trying to aim to make like 10-minute videos every single day. But hey, if my videos hit like I just mainly want to solve your problems, give you a tutorial. Hopefully I pray you conceptualize and visualize and understand the words I said and created like a mental movie image that's practical for you to go execute and helps you. This was very in general. You can go then figure it out. But yeah, hopefully it gave value. You know, I might get a Blue Yeti soon. Put that Blue Yeti like right here, like high quality audio, because I don't feel like screaming or talking that loud. Well, I know my voice is being understood. But yeah, that would be cool. Mainly what I'm working on right now is creating a I don't want to talk too much about what I'm doing. Like I said it in the previous videos, I open up at times. But yeah, agency clients and e-commerce is part of the potential clients I'm looking to get an inbound machine from this channel. This is why I keep uploading around this topic. And people in different continents have this. As well as like my first clients, I'm gonna aim it to be like actual businesses, but I have to sub niche. I'm gonna have to probably use Outlook, VCC method. I think yeah, that and HubSpot with DataX. Yo, oh yeah, I can use Hunter.io, and that's oh yeah, I can use Instagram DMs too. I can use Cody. Everybody does that. Not really, but yeah. Wow, see, I just went on a random rant, but yeah, long story short, guys, most important thing is get your credit, your business credit, build business credit. Imagine having 20 Amex gold cards and you go do e-commerce with that money. That's important. That's important. And yeah, coaching, consulting, whatever, like consulting, that's important too. Yeah, I gotta get my outreach strategies up. Oh, like that. So It's cons. Yep, well, this video is 10 minutes long. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. The first half, I already solved the problem anyway.